This is Bailey.
And Jackson.
Go, Bailey. So Bailey has much more of a hang of getting right in and jumping in.
But Jackson has these short little legs. Come on, get already.
Good. So this is his preferred mode of transportation now. Okay, you ready? Hang on. I got you. There you go. Yeah, buddy. Good job. Go on in. Go, go. Oh, there you go.